What is the nutritional values of tilapia food fish to humans? Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into this share. Today I share actual information gathered from readings re the health benefits of tilapia to humans. When compared to other source of protein source consumed by humans, fish packs a high percentage of vitamins B2. I have shared in conversation with several vegans and persons whom are heavily into the no consumption of animals campaign. Several of whom have detailed information on the value of vegan diets versus those including the consumption of flesh, including fish. I love these discussions. It somehow helps me personally to be motivated in my lacto-vegetarian route. I love and respect an honest, heartfelt conversation, and hold in high regards opinions of others. With this said, let's get deeper into the share. According to the National Fisheries Institute, tilapia nutrition is both palpable and palatable. The benefits of eating fish for brain, heart and eye health are well known. Fish provides protein, B vitamins, iron, vitamin D, selenium and healthful omega-3 fatty acids EPA plus DHA, all for about 200 calories or less per serving. The latest dietary guidelines for Americans recommend eating at least 2 servings, or 8-12 ounces, of a variety of seafood each week to boost heart and brain health and maintain a healthy weight. Among the top most consumed fish, tilapia is the 4th most consumed seafood in the United States at 1.18 pounds per capita in 2016. There are several choices of seafood options which can substitute easily for the consumption of fish. In addition, there are several options of plants which are compacted with the same nutritional compound as fish, both farmed as well as those caught from our oceans. The human body, according to Web Medicine, 2021, written by Griffin, omega-3s are nutrients you get from food or supplements that help build and maintain a healthy body. According to Griffin, they are considered the backslashes to the structure of every cell wall you have. They're also an energy source and help keep your heart, lungs, blood vessels, and immune system working the way they should. The argument by many health enthusiasts is that the EPA and DHA is either compromised or non-existent within tilapia food fish. According to research conducted by Salvia hispanica, posted in March 2013 in the Journal of American Oil Chemists Society, looking at omega-3 in red Nile tilapia cichlids. The results of this research mirror positive results for tilapia food fish. The research shared alternative options to fish so as to supplement fish as food primarily for protein. The research shared that omega-3 fatty acid is found in plant sources such as nuts and seeds. Regardless of the route of your omega-3 consumption, omega-3 when consumed by humans, which contains DHA levels, are especially high in retina, eye, brain, and sperm cells. Not only does your body need these fatty acids to function, they also deliver some big health benefits. It would be very unintelligent to suggest that tilapia cichlids provides the highest quality of omega-3. Other fish species unlike catfish and tilapia offers a more healthier dose of omega-3. It was suggested in literature that oily fish provides over 115 milligrams of omega-3 in 3 servings than the same serving of tilapia food fish. These serving would have enough EPA and DHA than beef, poultry and pork, to name a few. Further on, the downside of tilapia served as food fish oil is the scientific fact that tilapia when consumed as food, is also low in total and saturated fats and high in protein, an exceptional nutrition combination. These of course are the primary purpose of their consumption to start with, keeping healthy. In retrospect, however, it is important that you inform yourself of the fact that, while there is some talk about omega-3 fatty acids versus omega-6 fatty acids, even in tilapia, it is important to understand that both of these fatty acids are essential fatty acids. Our bodies do not make either, and we need to derive both from our diets. Omega-3s are important for immune function and blood clotting. Omega-6s, on the other hand, tend to promote inflammation, which is in and of itself critical for appropriate healing. Like most nutrients, there is only a problem with omega-6s when they are consumed in excess. Omega-6, a nutritional value of fish consumption, is also found in several other different foods, both healthful and unhealthful foods. We should aim to get our omega-6s primarily from whole, nutrient-rich foods like nuts, seeds and tilapia, instead of from processed foods like fast food and packaged snacks like cookies and chips. It's true that we need to consume a healthful dose of omega-3s in our diet to bring the omega-3 and omega-6 ratio into balance, which is one reason the dietary guidelines recommend eating an array of healthful foods, including a variety of seafoods 2-3 times each week. A truly versatile fish, tilapia provides loads of other nutrients, including protein and B vitamins. The disdain of tilapia food as a source for omega-3 and 6 and much-needed fatty acids. The arguments which seeks to support this fallacy is lacking in substance and requires more actual research. Tilapia food fish overall fat profile is much better than many animal sources of protein which come with much higher amounts of saturated fat. Tilapia contains only a half gram of saturated fat per 3-ounce serving, compared with 1 gram in chicken breast meat or 8 grams in steak, concluding, it's a very nutritious fish. And that rightly so. Tilapia food fish adds great value to the table as a source of protein and good fatty acid. Where the arguments against tilapia as food fish seems to be decreasing, many have now resorted to acclaim tilapia fish as being laced with PCB. Interestingly, more PCB exists in chicken meat and vegetables than tilapia grown as food fish. As I end this share, I share the fact that the farming of tilapia and the consumption of these fish as a source of food existed long before modern civilization. According to research and history, this was a part of the ancient Egyptians' diet centuries ago. I end this share here. Join the conversation, leave a comment in the comment section of this share.